In this video, I'll show you how to fix the media offline error in DaVinci Resolve 20. Let's get started. First, go to the media pool and select all the clips that are showing as offline. You can do this by dragging a selection box around them, or by holding Command on Mac or Control on Windows and clicking each clip you want to relink. Once your clips are selected, right-click on any of them, then choose Clip Operations and select Relink Selected Clips. A file browser window will appear. Here, navigate to the folder where your original media files are saved. After you find the correct location, click Open. DaVinci Resolve 20 will then search that folder and automatically reconnect the clips in your project. If you've moved your files to another drive or renamed folders, be sure to point to the new location when relinking. Keeping your media well organized from the start can help prevent this issue in the future. That's all it takes. Your timeline should now be back to normal. Thanks for watching and happy editing.